15 Best Python Frameworks for Data Science in 2025. Python frameworks for data science simplify complex tasks by providing pre-built functionalities, ensuring code reliability and efficiency.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Data science has been a dynamic area of research about understanding and knowledge mined from data. It is one such critical area for almost every industry, and for that, the right kinds of tools and frameworks are required for the processing, analysis, and visualization of data. On the other hand, Python is the choice of most data scientists due to its ease, flexibility, and extensive library availability. Python is a popular choice for data scientists due to its extensive libraries for data manipulation, visualization, machine learning, and deep learning, making it an essential tool in data science. However, this also might be overwhelming because of the number of libraries and systems available. A top Python framework for data science can help to excel in data science endeavors. 15 must-have Python frameworks for data science in 2025. This list of 15 Python frameworks for data science 2025 focuses on their strengths and potential to enhance data science projects, which makes it easy to find the perfect one for your project. 1. NumPy, Foundations for Statistical Computing. NumPy is still the cornerstone of scientific computation in Python. It provides multidimensional arrays, linear algebra operations, and mathematical operations, and is an important foundation for new data science programs. 2. Pandas, Simplified Data Processing. Data manipulation made easy. Pandas build on NumPy with easy-to-use data structures, providing high performance and great flexibility, being ideal for almost any kind of project in tasks of data cleaning, filtering, transformation, and aggregation. 3. Matplotlib and Seaborn, Great Plotting Capabilities. Matplotlib is robust, flexible, and scalable for static, animated, and interactive visualization. Built upon the foundation of Matplotlib, Seaborn is essentially a high-level interface for constructing mathematical models with a high aesthetic focus. 4. Scikit-learn, Machine Learning Made It Easier. Scikit-learn, on the other hand, is an advanced set of machine learning algorithms for classification, regression, clustering, model selection, and dimensionality reduction. Its documentation is very user-friendly and easy to understand, making it best suited for both beginners and experienced data scientists. 5. TensorFlow and PyTorch, Deep Learning Leaders. TensorFlow versus PyTorch, neck and neck in leading the deep learning race. They come with lots of powerful features to help you build, train, and deploy deep learning models. TensorFlow has a low-level API for more control, while PyTorch offers dynamic computational graphs for more flexibility. 6. Keras, a high-level API for deep learning. Keras sits on top of TensorFlow or PyTorch, providing a high-level API that simplifies the deep learning and development process. It removes some complexity and enables rapid prototyping and testing of complex learning models. 7. XGBoost, Gradient Boosting Power Difference. It is known for its high performance and accuracy in various machine learning projects. It excels at complex relationships, data imbalances, and successful feature engineering, making it a valuable tool for predictive modeling. 8. Dask, Parallel Processing for Large Datasets. Dask extends the functionality of NumPy, Pandas, and Scikit-learn, making it possible to do parallelized coding on clusters or multi-core machines. This highly increases performance in handling very massive datasets that would not fit into the memory of a single machine. 9. Scrapy, Web Scraping Simplified. Scrapy is a powerful Python framework designed especially for web scraping tasks. It makes it easy to extract structured data from websites, allowing you to gather valuable information for analytics or data pipelines. 10. Natural Language Tools, NLTK Text Analysis Controller. NLTK offers a suite of rich tools for doing NLP tasks, starting from tokenization and stemming to lemmatization, sentiment analysis, named entity recognition, and empowering data scientists to extract meaning and insights from textual data. 11. Scikit-Image, Image Processing for Data Science. Scikit-Image includes a vast set of algorithms related to image processing, filtering, segmentation, features, and object recognition. This library is essential for a data scientist because a significant amount of data may be in the form of images, so tasks with computer vision may be required. 12. Stats Models, Statistical Models Made It Easier. Stats Models provides a collection of statistical modeling tools for economic simulation, time series analysis, and hypothesis testing. It makes it easy to build statistical models to understand the relationships in your data. 13. How to Plot, Interactive Data Visualization. Plotly excels at creating interactive visualizations that allow users to explore deeper insights. These concepts can be embedded in web applications or dashboards, enabling data analysis and dynamic interaction. Want to know the length of list in Python? Watch out for simple and super fast ways to get the same using lesser code. Read it out. 14. Dash, Building Interactive Dashboards with Python. Dash is a Python framework for data science built on top of Plotly for building web applications. It's a lot like Shiny but for Python. All in all, it allows data scientists to create informative and aesthetic dashboards to distribute insights. 15. Bokeh, Interactive Graphics for Web Applications. Bokeh offers a new way to create interactive data visualizations. It provides powerful features for transformation and interfaces easily with web technologies to become a valuable tool for building web-based data applications. Python, master all of your data structures in the simplest way. Learn the basics and upgrade your coding skills. Read the full post now.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.